Good morning to everyone. Welcome to a new edition of Smart Talks by MESPAC. I am Monica Cuatracasas, the Communication Manager at MESPAC. Nice to greet you. Today, we are delighted to have joined us for this session entitled New RM Series, Optimizing Performance for Pre-Made Pouches, where we will know more in detail about this innovative rotary machine we have just launched in the market. The webinar is scheduled to last approximately 45 minutes, and it will be presented by our experts, Anthony De Souza, Managing Director at MESPAC India, and Jaume Roquet, Solutions and Project Director at MESPAC. Following the presentation, we will allocate around 10 minutes for questions and answers, so please feel free to submit your questions during the session through the questions and answer below. The session will be recorded and shared with those who have registered later. So now let me introduce Anthony De Souza, Managing Director at MESPAC India. As the Managing Director of MESPAC India for over 12 years, he has led the company's growth by delivering innovative packaging solutions across various industries. He is also the President of the Institute of Packaging Machinery Manufacturers of India, a prestigious association representing the packaging machinery sector, both in India and internationally. With over 30 years of packaging expertise, he has worked on the projects in the food, beverage, pharmaceutical, and personal care sectors while driving the company's expansion and product portfolio. His mission is to provide high quality, efficient and sustainable packaging solutions, always ready for new challenges and grow opportunities. Good morning, Anthony. Glad that you are here today. How are you?
Good morning, Monica. Thanks for the wonderful introduction.
Okay, nice to hear you today. And
Same here.
I would like to introduce as well Jaume Roquet, Solutions and Project Director. With over 20 years of expertise in engineering and management, Jaume manages cross-functional teams fostering collaboration between sales engineering, project management, and documentation, while also providing exceptional service to the clients. His extensive background in capital goods manufacturing and commitment to sustainability position him as a key player in MESPAC's mission to deliver innovative packaging solutions. Hi, Jaume. How are you today?
Hello, Monica. Hello, everyone. Hello, Anthony, my friend. Nice to meet you, everyone.
Yeah, glad to have you here. Okay, so thank you both for your contributions to this session. And with nothing further add, let's proceed to the presentation. And today we are going to cover different topics about pre-made pouches. But first, let me introduce a quick MESPAC overview, very quick. But MESPAC, headquartered in Barcelona, is a global leader in flexible packaging and equipment for consumer packaged goods. And we are known for our innovation in creating sustainable packaging solutions. MESPAC has been part of Duraban since 2015, a leading player in the world of industrial equipment headquartered in Illinois. Duraban is a global engineering equipment company with manufacturing, sales, and service facilities throughout North America, Europe, and Asia. Here you can see that Duraban offers immediate lifelong aftermarket support across different sectors, serving food, processing, packaging, and material handling industries worldwide through its diverse portfolio and operating companies and brands that you can see here in this slide. About MESPAC, established in 1994 as horizontal form fill and seal manufacturer, MESPAC has evolved into a global one-stop shop with extensive services. With a sales team in over 90 countries and regional service centers ensuring prompt access to parts, we boast the industry's largest product portfolio. With 380 employees across 17,700 square meters of facilities, our production centers are in Spain, the US, and India. MESPAC provides solutions for various industries, including beverage, food, pet food, pharmaceuticals, personal care, and home care. But additionally, we serve industries such as law and garden, agriculture, tobacco, automotive, and more. Here you can see that our talent engineering team designs customized integrated solutions for primary, secondary packaging, and end-of-line process. With our extensive portfolio, we offer high precision, efficiency, and versatility horizontal form, film, and seal machines for flexible packaging, including machinery for pre-made pouches. And today we will introduce one novelty for this segment. And we include also vertical form, film, and seal equipment. And additionally, we provide hydroforma machines for water-soluble pods and end-of-line equipment to fit your secondary packaging needs, offering turnkey solutions if they are needed. At MESPAC, we are committed to sustainability packaging solutions that prioritize environment responsibility, and our focus is on developing monomaterial packaging options which are easier to recycle and reduce waste. Through our Innovation Center in Barcelona, we collaborate with key partners of the industry to create new eco-friendly packaging solutions tailored to meet specific needs while promoting a more sustainable future. So if you need some solutions for that, so you can ask to your contacts in MESPAC, because we can offer a customized solution for you. So that's marked the beginning of our introduction to MESPAC, and now so providing you the opportunity to familiarize yourself with who we are now. And now, Anthony, I'll pass you the floor. Thank you.
Thank you, Monica. It was a wonderful introduction, and you always do fantastic in such kind of a things. Appreciate.
Thank you, Anthony.
Good morning to all. From here, I would like to share what MESPAC intends to do, and the main objective was to provide a compact machine to the industry for ready-made pouches. This has been a big ask. We already have ready-made pouches on our linear segment, but to make a compact machine was the need of the hour and the demand of the market. And that made us come out with the most compact machine available in the market, which is user-friendly and the best to use when you have more pouch variants to be handled. This is a small overview of the machine, the main machine and the in-feed conveyor. I will go through a small, an overview of the machine. It consists of 8 stations, as various stations were in-feed, pouch opening, the filling, the pouch dressing, sealing, and the discharge. We have various optional systems which could be provided on the machine. That could be a data coder or a metal detector as an optional, gas flushing, chillers for cooling sealing jaws, and discharge station. We will run through it in little bit elaborations in the next slides. What are the technical specifications? What kind of a pouch you could do? Here are the answers. You can see the compactness first of the machine. It's quite small, 2.4 by 3.5 and 1.9. Very reasonable enough to accommodate in the smallest possible place you have. Maximum format we can do is 266 by 368, which is decent enough to accommodate 1 kg and more, depending upon the product. Lighter, lesser, and heavier could be more. A minimum pouch format that could be accommodated is 101 by 150, and maximum throughput is 60. Again, it depends upon the fill weight and the product you would like to be you would like to pack. Maximum volume 3400, and pouch type. Currently, we are forecasting is flat pouch, stand-up pouch. Products, it could be powder, granule, solid. Filling stations 1 to 2, which I can elaborate later, and decibel level less than 80, which is the industry standards. Let's go to the MESPEC highlights. What are the highlights? High flexible with pouch formats. As I said earlier, that different pouch sizes, multiple pouch sizes. This is the most flexible machine to handle. Quick changeover, the most important part needed in today's industry. If you have multiple formats to handle, you always expect a quick changeover. Here you have a quick changer in 5 minutes with an integrated corrosion system. Reduce footprint with integrated electrical cabinet, lesser space again. Reduce commissioning time. Once you have the machine is just like a plug and play. I'm ready to start it just with small installation process. Simple. You may not need an engineer if your people are good enough, but that's the benefit of MESPEC. And as I said, lesser footprint, so high productivity is the answer to your requirements. Rightly said earlier, we could do 3-side, 4-side seals, sachets with pouches with tear notch, 4-side seal, pouch with tear notch, standard pouch with zipper, without zippers, and various other aspects which could be looked at. Let's start with our first station, in-feed conveyor with pouch transfer unit. It consists of a 3-phase motor that set up by a D-stacker positioned to transfer the pouches into the machine. It's very easy. It's convenient. You have to just load the pouches on the conveyor due to the efficient pouch loading system, and they are picked up through vacuum suction cups. And the advantage here is these vacuum suction cups are adjustable for change in pouch size. Simple. And it has a provision to put the coder at the next station. Next station, the second and third, basically a pouch opening station and a pouch open detection. There are 2 stages. Here, you could have any product that could be filled. I'm going ahead, I think. Okay, sorry. There are 2 pouch opening stations, and here we have air blast for initial opening, or the next you have one more opening station to ensure proper opening of the pouch. Remember, when you have gusseted pouches, you have to take more precautions with the bottom gusset to be opened properly. There are 3 photocentric sensors are implemented for this detection. There are provision for an inkjet printer that could be installed on the first station. I think so everybody would like to have a date printed on it, and this is possible. And adjustable height of the gusset pouch opener through the vacuums, easily possible. Pouch filling station. Now you can decide what product you would like to pack, and accordingly you would have an appropriate filler, which we would take up later. Liquids is also possible, but then on request. If you have a requirement of a liquid application, do not hesitate, do not worry. There is a solution always available with us, as we do it very frequently in all other machines. A funnel air blast for the adjustable pressure. So this is used to ensure a proper guiding a blast to guide the product down with the proper timing, the adjustable buckets. But remember, when you have a different pouch widths, the funnels have to be changed, and that's what is indicated. You can have a provision of a metal detection to ensure product quality, so that if there is any metal found, it could be rejected at a later stage. And product settling. For example, in dye packs or standard pouches, you need to settle the product while filling. So we have a product settler. Next highlight, pouch stretching station. We have a pouch clamp closed via stepper motor. Control closing the portion are adjustable directly from HMI. This station can also be used for add-on like nitrogen flushing. Generally, if you need longer shelf life, people prefer to have a nitrogen flushing system. Why not? It's there. You don't have to worry here. A pouch duster where you can reduce the air in the pouch in case there is no glass flushing needed. Or provision for the second filling funnel. Now here, it could be 2 reasons. Either I have more volumes to fill so I can achieve the speed, or I would like to fill 2 products. Why not? I can have first filling station for one product and the other filling station for product number 2, provided they are accommodated in the volume of the pouch size. As specific and clear as that. We go to top sealing station. Once we have completed the filling of the product, it's time to close the pouch. So we have a overfill detection with a proximity sensor to determine if the pouch top sealer can be engaged or not. So if it's all, then the pneumatic rotary cylinder actuates the top sealer. Temperature control and sealing time are adjustable directly from HMI. You could see a small video here, which, okay. You can see the top sealing happening. Okay, we are going to the, okay. We'll go to the next station, that is a top sealing, a top cooling station. A pneumatic rotary cylinder actuates the top sealer. Now, there are many times people prefer to have chill or good quality impressions depending on the type of pouch you need. In such a scenario, we have a solution to give you better quality too, and that is by simpler replacing the standard airflow of the jaws by making chilled water. With this is specifically preferred when the pouch speed is high. Now, if you're running the speed at 20 or 25, depending on your fill weight, and then you don't need that. But if you need running at 60 and you still have thicker materials, where I think so, it's better to use the chilling system. But those provisions are all available with you. Exit chute, the station number 8. Now, you have checked. There are various reasons for maybe a metal detection. Maybe a pouch has not opened due to air not there ready to be puffed properly, or pouch not filled, or pouch not sealed. Then your pouch is not wasted. You can reuse a pouch because we can. It has already been sensed at the earlier stages and exited or rejected into the exit bin. Now, in the exit part, you have an exit ramp where you have a small uh, flap which opens up into the bin for rejected pouches, and good pouches are rejected out. You can even have a conveyor where the pouches can go on the conveyor and move out in sequence. We have been talking about quick changeover, and the ideal is to show you how easy, how toolless, and how quickly you can change a pouch. It's always said, seeing is believing. So we want you to see how quickly you can do it. Just imagine adjusting a pouch from a specific size to a bigger size. Here we come to the first adjust the pouch width, because the pouch width will be the first to adjust. It's quite simple. A hand wheel to open and close, not to adjust any flap by metering gauge. No. Here you have the counter, which will enable you to get the right count. Once you have that locked, then I go to adjust the length of the pouch, because the pouch will change size will also have a length increase. I do that again with a hand wheel. As simple and easy as possible. There it is, done, closed. Now we could go to adjust the pick up and place cups. Because the width is increased, I need to increase. It's easy. You have a scale there. Just increase the width and set it as per the scale, as per the width of the pouch. And then, in case you have a coding system, you have to adjust the position, take it to the right position, set it. Again, toolless, not to do anything. Adjust the pouch opening size, because the pouch opening size will increase due to the width. Then we come to adjust the gusset. When we have a longer pouch, length increase, your gusset goes down, the vacuum cups have to be adjusted to go down so that it's at the gusset size. All are easily, because scales, you know where to adjust, no problems. And finally, we have to look at pouch detection for overfill so that the pouch is not sealed. And lastly, we come to, this is for the length again of the pouch. And lastly, we come to the filling station. Because of the change in width, I have to change the funnel so that the product goes properly inside instead of spilling outside. As simple. It's just toolless. Mount it, clamp it, and done. Machine is ready. Now you have a recipe loaded. Select the recipe, activate it, your grippers are adjusted, ready to rock and pack as per your requirements. This is how easy and simple the changeover is. Initially, you may take 8 to 9 minutes, but once you get used to it, 5 minutes is very easily possible. And now I would like to hand over the next session to Joma, who would take you through the dosing and the Athena. And I'll come back to you again for your question and answers. Joma, take your control, my friend.
Thank you, Anthony. Let me make a quick summary before moving to the dosing systems. I would like to remark that that machine is it's very useful for going to the market in a very affordable way, let's say, and that the best highlight of the machine is the flexibility, right? It's very flexible for the changeover, and it's not a high throughput machine because we are on the 50, 60 cycles per minute. But I could say that it's a very competitive machine for producing a lot of different products and pouches, let's say, with affordable price. Okay, that's my point and my summary here. Just I would like to add also that it's a servo machine, servo pneumatical machine, not mechanical cams. Okay, so it's this is why the quick changeover, because we have 7 servos on the machine that will adjust the width of the grippers. That's my point. Let's move now to the dosing systems. Well, as you may know, in MESPAC, we design and manufacture machines, but also different filling systems. The first and most usual is the auger filler. So this is the typical dosing system for powders that will have a servo auger filler to fill different doses, from very small doses, can be I would say 1 gram to 2 kilograms, right? Because we can change the auger tooling and we can adjust with the servo the amount of reels that will do with the auger, and will fill different range of filling doses. The accuracy, standard accuracy, is plus minus 1.5%. And again, this auger filler can be integrated in the machine with different auger toolings for producing different recipes. Second system that we have usually for granulates in that case is the volumetric cup filler. This is the rotary cup filler volumetric system. Can be also integrated on the machine for this kind of solid product that not powdery. It's for rice, for example, or these kind of things. Accuracy is not as much as Auger filler, is plus minus 0.5%, and the filling dose can be adjusted moving up and down the caps. So this is a common filling system that MESPAC have from years ago, and we are using in our machines. Third one is the multi-head weigher, in that case for pieces or this kind of product that is more than granulates. That multi-head weigher can be also adapted into the machine with the example that we share on the video, duckbill funnel. We will be able to fill these kind of products. Precision or accuracy will be according to the product. Here we have more range of deviation, but we are more or less between 0.5 and 2 grams, or amount of pieces. Okay. The other option that Anthony mentioned, is the liquid filler. Also can be integrated under request and evaluating the application itself, but the flow meter can be also adapted into the machine. So let's move now to the Athena platform. For those that we know MESPAC, will know that this is the standard platform that we are using from 3 years ago. This is an evolution of the software that we use in our HMI, and we are proposing here some benefits. This is a platform that allow to the operators to maximize the production data while performing tasks from machine control. Also, it's a tool that will allow the operators to identify the root causes of the let's say regex, projections, alarms, or these kind of things, optimizing the waste reduction, and simplifying the processes. Okay. Also can be implemented a maintenance program into the HMI for reduction of let's say downtime hours. Okay. In terms of the highlights, this is a new interface, big screen, multi-touch, HD, PAC-ML architecture. 85% of the screen functionalities in a just single click, and complies with the last let's say regulations and guidance. Also, the alarm troubleshooting is a good option. Here we are integrating some aids, some videos that the operator can check according to the alarm that they have on the HMI for quick resolution. The PLC can be, let's say, customized according to the customer. We are using normally Omron, Rockwell, and Siemens. Sorry, I don't have control, Monica. Okay. Well, as I mentioned, the interface looks like this. This is a more fresh and modern interface aesthetics, that this is like a laptop. The operator can navigate through the HMI, looking for the information that they need easily, and just for recipe and user management. So also the manuals will be integrated on the HMI for quick access, and also local machine statistics, OEE, alarms and production and data. As an optional, we are also incorporating the Hello MESPAC connectivity. The standard is 8.5 days a week, but also as an upgrade is 16 and 24. That means that if you choose that options, you will be connected to the MESPAC service team for quick answer and quick connection for, let's say, troubleshooting resolution. Okay. So Hello MESPAC is our integrated machine management and data analysis platform that allows you to manage your new MESPAC equipment and make decisions based on actual production data, alarm rejection, etc. Well, as said, you have 3 options, and the most used is 8/5, but also some customers that are producing in 3 shifts, they are choosing 24/7. You can see here a video of the machine as an overview and as a summary. This is the infit belt, just fitting the pouches into the carousel. As I mentioned, the carousel itself, it's driving servo drive. Technology of the infit belt is quite similar as the horizontal machines that we have for pre-made pouches, but here the innovation, let's say, it's the carousel because it's a rotary motion, servo drive, and no cams, no mechanical cams for quick changeover. You can see here how do the grippers move for opening, closing, and so on. Anthony, feel free to add whatever you want. Now it's the time for the let's say, this is the duckbill funnel.
Yeah.
For in that case, for multi-head weigher application. That can be also for auger filler, volumetric, even for adding a nozzle for liquids. Top seal is pneumatic driving, controlling the pressure. And that's the screen with the Athena platform. Big screen for easy maintenance. Yep.
Thanks, Joma. It was wonderful to get information from you, more insights. I just want to share that we launched this machine in June in India at a Snack and Bake show in Delhi. We had a fantastic response and we have good requirements coming through. The most important factor is it's a very compact machine, and to tell you more is we are making this in India. As Joma had rightly said, competitive price. So we are making it feasible for all our Indian customers to taste our technology, which the entire industry is tasting. So feel free to contact. It's time for question and answers, and looking forward to get your questions so we can reply to our best.
Okay, well, thank you both, Jaume and Anthony, for your participation. We have learned a lot about this new machine, thanks to you. And now is the time of questions and answers. So you can write your question in the questions and answers section, and we will respond now immediately. But with this audience, we have a lot of, okay, let me check this. Let me control all, okay. So, well, we can start the questions and answers section because we already have some questions that our audience have right. So let's go for the first one. That is, can this machine work with a zipper?
Yeah, I would like to share that this machine is beautiful for zipper application because you can easily do a stand-up pouch with top zipper. We can open the zipper and then fill the product, and it zipper remains open. If you need to close the zipper, even that can be done. It depends on the customer, so it works smoothly for zipper. No problems. It can be done.
Okay, thank you, Anthony. Another attendee asked if is there any difference in throughput when using pouches made from recyclable material compared to those made from standard laminate?
Generally should not have any difference in the throughput because the pouches are already pre-made. We are not forming a pouch that would take time for sealing of the recyclable laminate. So they can be used well, but just we need to ensure that the pouches are of a good quality so that there are no challenges while pouch opening, specifically when they are thinner in nature. They should not be very flimsy or thin, Otherwise, all recyclable laminates will run smoothly without any problems.
Okay, good answer. Thank you. And there is another question on the table that is, will it be possible to round the pouches with corner or top spout?
Uh, it is not possible to run it with a top spout, but corner spout, yes. It can be made available whenever you need this kind of application. We can do corner spouts. Top spouts will not be possible, but corner spout, yes, no problems at all.
Okay, perfect. Another attendee asked, is it possible to accommodate the two different products in the machine, like powder and granules, for example?
Very easily possible. If you recollect my explanation, I had indicated that we have provision for the second filling station, so we could utilize that provision for filling product A and product B, provided it can accommodate in the volume designed for the pouch. And if that is there, yes, two products can be filled in a pouch.
Okay, thank you. Another question, can you load pouches automatically?
Yeah,
uh,
this is a common question even for the horizontal machines. On that
right.
machine, because it's let's say 60 pouches per minute, it's not too much. We have not considered this automation yet, but we'll see if the market goes through a good response and we move for that option can be analyzed.
Perfect.
Perfect. Is there duplex models or only simplex?
Yeah, the same as before. That machine, the starting point is the simplex, up to 60 pouches per minute, depending of the volume. But considering that Mespec has all the range of models, can be done in a later stage. Yeah.
Okay. Um, So that's all. Thank you, Anthony and Jauma, for your participation and for all the participants that are here, that you have been here today. And as you can
Monica,
see,
before you conclude, I
yeah.
would like to tell all the audience
Hmm.
that people in India who would like to witness, feel, and see the machine, do not forget we are showing this machine at PACMAC Asia Expo between 23rd to 25th in Mumbai at Mumbai Exhibition Center. So if you would like to see the machine, block your calendar, make yourself available, and meet us at the expo and feel the Mespec experience.
Yes, you're right, Anthony. And so we will wait the customers and the visitors there, and then you will see the machine live. Perfect.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Let me, Monica, sorry,
Yeah,
to
no, that's
just
perfect.
say thanks to the audience. I can see here a lot of friends and partners, so thank you so much for your attendance. Hopefully you have enjoyed the presentation, and you know that you can contact us for everything. Thank you.
Yes, for sure. We are open here, as Jaume and Anthony mentioned, and we can provide you customized options, solutions, and every single question that you have, we are here open to you. So you are more than customers, you are partners for us, and you are part of MESPAC, okay? And we want to be part with you. So we invite you to contact Anthony, Jaume, or your contact in MESPAC, and you can send as well an email to marketing@mespac.com, and we will forward this message to the correct person, okay, to attend your demand. So that's all, and looking forward to seeing you in our next Smart Talks. So thank you very much to be here with us once more, and have a great morning or afternoon. It depends of the country you are listening to us. And thank you and best regards. Thank you.